Giloy is an ancient herb that is packed with an array of benefits. Popular for its immunity-boosting properties, Giloy helps in actively fighting against various pathogens. It is a part of Indian medicine from a very long time. Giloy literally means Amrita, which means the root of immortality. Its abundant medicinal properties have time and again proved that Giloy is one of the most effective natural medicines. Giloy, which goes by the scientific or Latin name Tinospora cordifolia, comes from the Menispermaceae family. Also termed as heart-leaved moonseed in English, the Giloy plant is a well-known herbaceous, glabrous climbing vine of deciduous origin. It has elongated twining branches decorated with heart-shaped beetle-like leaves and yellow flowers. The succulent herb of this plant is creamy white in color but gives a yellow tint when cut. The fruits are ovoid, drupe-shaped, and generally turns red on ripening. The herb is native to Myanmar, Sri Lanka, and is widely distributed throughout various tropical regions of India. Giloy is a large, deciduous, extensively spreading, climbing shrub with several elongated twining branches. Leaves are simple, alternate, and exstipulate with long petioles up to 15 cm, 6 in, long, which are roundish and pulvinate, both at the base and apex, with the basal one longer and twisted partially and halfway around. It gets its name heart-leaved moonseed by its heart-shaped leaves and its reddish fruit. The holistic science of Ayurveda regards Giloy as prana, i.e. full of vigor, as it is capable to sustain and grow on its own even when it is cut. The ancient Ayurvedic seer Sharaka classifies this herb as Methurasayana, herb which rejuvenates intellect and memory, and Vyasthapana, herb which restores age. Giloy is considered as the queen of herbs and the most versatile Ayurvedic herb that can treat many health problems. As per Ayurveda, Giloy can be consumed in the form of a decoction, powder, or even juice. Nutritional benefits of having Giloy are: 1. It has strong antioxidant properties, which protects against free radical damage and boosts immunity. 2. It helps in reducing fever, also effective for chronic fevers such as dengue or chikungunya. 3. It helps in increasing blood platelet count. 4. It aids in digestion, highly alkaline and has anti-inflammatory effect, which aids in treatment of arthritis and asthma. 5. It can help reduce blood glucose levels for type 2 diabetics. Giloy also used as an adaptogenic herb to reduce anxiety as well as mental stress. If combined with other herbs, Giloy can help in getting rid of toxins, and it calms down your mind, and boosts the memory, and also helps in stimulating phagocytic cells, which helps in healing wounds. You can apply Giloy leaf paste on the skin to speed up the wound healing process, as it helps skin regeneration. The easiest way to consume Giloy is by chewing on its stem. This method works great for people suffering from asthma. While every part of the herb is used to prepare medicines, including the leaves, stem, and flowers, preparing the juice from the leaves is the easy. It really doesn't matter in where you get it from, a flower pot at home or an Ayurvedic store, but having it regularly in the right dose can make a lot of difference to your immune system. Please leave your comments below. Take care and be safe.